are the Group 5. So our challenge for today is called Mystery Color Challenge.
We will explain to you how to challenge work.
5 members will participate on this challenge. They have to pick twice.
The plastic box contains 3 orange, 3 green, 3 blue, and 3 yellow.
On this challenge, we put twists. Other color has a question and the other color has consequences like flower and calamansi.
So every time they will pick, they have to answer the question. If the player couldn't answer it in 5 seconds and the answer is wrong, they will receive a punishment or consequences. And if the player answer it correctly, the player will receive a gift. And if they pick the wrong color that has consequence inside, they will receive it as their punishment for picking the wrong color.
That's how our challenge works. So let's start.
Pose with the fans.
Ayaw. Ikaw na. Yung man, ikuan. Yung.
Basta? R. Yaw. Nagana, ay! Butang! Oh, mata!
Di ako lang.
Ano mo gibalik? Hello. What is the largest organ in the human? What is the largest organ in the human? Yan. Kanang stomach.
Wrong! Dalihan! Isa sunod! Yuli! Why ikaw? Alo, kalamansi! Alaga! Kalaga po.
What is the square root of 144? 12.
Correct. Dadaan na, uy. Karo? Dilan, kalamansi. Isa lang blue, uy. Ba? Libog dipon ka, yun. Tag-ato din. Ilan na?
Iduok na lang ang naong. Iduok ba?
Oo, ganda.
What color is a stop sign? What color is a stop sign? What? Red.
5. Oh, correct. Awa na. Kaduha naman na yung mga kuha.
Red light.
God. Wala ka nisa. Ikaw masunod.
Agad eh.
Hello! Hindi ko
Oh my god! Saan kasi? Oh my god! What the?
Dadaanan nyo ha? Pinsan nyo ha?
Yes, sama
Basta ako nabandong lang yun. Alam ko ng pagkabili.
Di ba talaga po?
Ngay, kami na piyong ay!
Apa talaga po? Patapos
Piyong ba? Piyong! Kaduha na naman ha?
Wala. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Sakto kita.
Red
Mars.
planet,
Red
Mars.
planet man, Mars.
Kuha mo lang din.
So, wala lang yung video.
Nakita daw.
100 pesos.
Last. What color is a banana when it's ripe? Kan, yellow.
Dilo ba niya?
Yellow! Lol, makorta sila. So that's all. Thank you.
First, the possible that the player will be picked are orange, green, blue, and yellow. Second, each color had all four colors that contain their partner. Third, we're going to use the sample space to determine the possible outcome of getting an orange color. The first outcome is orange and orange, so we can write that as OO. The second outcome is OG, so that's going to be OG and so on. Fourth, getting the x, which is 0, 1, 2. First, we are going to count 0, 1, and 2, and 16 is going to be on the bottom, the possible outcome of 0, 1, and 2. Then, we're going to count how many possible outcome we're getting a 0 outcome, and that's going to be 9 over 16. Second, how many possible outcomes we're getting a 1, and it's going to be a 6 over 16. How many two possible outcome, and we're getting 1 over 16. And we're going to count it all to make sure it's 16. Fifth, we're going to add all the numbers and the outcome is 8 over 16. And then, we're going to use a calculator to solve the 8 over 16. We're going to divide it, so 8 divided by 16 is 0.5. The answer is 0.5, but it's not the final answer. We're going to convert it as percent. So we're going to move two decimals, which means we're going to get 50%. So the final answer is the probability that the player will pick an orange color is 50%. On this question, the only thing we will count is the orange and yellow together. So first, we're going to do what we did earlier. Orange, green, blue, and yellow. Then, we're going to write 4 color on each color. Second, we're only going to count the orange and yellow color together, even if it's the yellow and orange. Third, getting an x like we did earlier too. X is 0 and 1. Then, we're going to count how many possible we're getting 0 outcome. It's going to be 14 over 16. How many possible we're getting 1 outcome? It's 2. Then, we're going to add to make sure it's 16. Fourth, we're going to add all the numbers and it's going to be 2 over 16. Then, using a calculator to solve it, it's going to be 0.125. Then we're going to move 2 decimals, so it's going to be 12.5%. So the final answer is the probability that the player will be pick 1 orange and 1 yellow is 12.5%.